Efteling, we saw it.
Yeah. That was so amazing. Again, just an incredible world.
Oh my gosh, it's so magical. Hello everybody, we're going on holiday. We're going to a place called Efteling, and I'm so excited because I've wanted to go to Efteling since I was like 12 years old when I saw pictures of this incredible fairy tale theme park.
Oh, it's fairy tales, is it?
Yes, it is, but of course first we've got to get there. So we're going to drive onto the ferry, and then we've got a bit of a road trip across France and Belgium.
We have.
Bonjour! We made it to France.
Mais oui, mais oui.
Maintenant,
allez à Efteling. I've been practicing.
perfect.
Yeah.
Parfait? No, that's a you're good.
Cake. So, Maddie's now driving.
Yeah.
First time in Europe driving,
Yeah,
right?
it's my first time. Oh, and
We're all good. Oh, we are braking.
We're all braking. Okay, we're all fine. Efteling, we saw it.
Yeah.
What?
That's amazing.
This ahead of us. This is the Efteling Hotel.
That's where we're staying.
What? Looks like it's floating. Oh my gosh, it's so magical.
Look at it. It's wicked.
Wow. That is incredible. Coming.
How cool is this? What's going on in the reception?
Oh my goodness. I literally just walked into the Efteling Hotel, and it seems like there's some kind of story time going on for the kids with two characters.
Thanks.
Can we please stay in this one?
Yeah, I think we have to do those.
Can we stay in the four-poster bunk bed? That's so funny. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We have arrived bright and early, and we're about to go through the incredible Efteling entrance hall. First things first, we are heading straight to the newest attraction, which I think was introduced in 2016.
Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
Symbolica.
Inside, you go on a magical journey around the King's Chambers, and you pick from your tracks. You can either go on the treasure track, the hero track, or the music track. So we just need to decide which one we're going to go on.
Treasure track. I just chose one.
We're just inside the pre-show before we go in the ride. And this guy here is just giving us some instructions.
Alle tovertwinkels, hallo allemaal! What's happening with the stars? No, stop!
Okay, we've met Pagoda, the magic jester. The staircase opened up, and now we're going on the ride.
Helaas, te laat. Too late voor de audiëntie.
We just came out to Symbolica. We basically went on a journey around
amazing
Fantasy
castle.
Palace.
Yeah.
What was your favourite bit?
I liked the little... Oh no, my favourite bit was like the giant aquarium where this
Oh, yeah.
massive whale appears,
Yeah.
and then it looks like it breaks the glass and water
Yeah,
squirts
we
out.
kind of travelled through what was almost like a magical greenhouse, and at one point we span around, and yeah, it looked like a whale just fell into this huge fish tank, and it was brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
So amazing.
We're about to go onto the Pagoda, and this is going to take us way up high, so we get an amazing vista of the whole of Efteling. I think it goes 40 feet in the air. See that building? That's our hotel. Before Efteling became a theme park, this area used to be a nature reserve, which makes sense because from all the way up here you can see just how green everything is. by far my favourite rides that you get at theme parks are dark rides. Those are the ones that are inside because they just are able to create these fantasy worlds around you. And the next one we're doing is this one, and it's called Fata Morgana, I believe. And I think this is like an Arabian Nights themed ride. In there. Greg, you've got to get onto the boat by the moving platform.
See, this is actually quite fast. It's good. Made it. That was so amazing. Again, just an incredible world.
Hey Greg, we're walking but we're not going anywhere.
I know.
Next, we're going on this Python.
Oh man, go on then. I love that it's just gravity that's doing that. So they pull you up to a really high height, release the brakes, and then down you go. On tracks, obviously, but upside down 4 times. Upside downy moments.
I think that was the very first roller coaster that came to the park. And it was good, it was quite quick, wasn't it?
It was super quick, but yeah, it was amazing.
We have a tip for you as well. We actually don't get that queasy because we have taken motion sickness tablets.
Yeah, anti-nausea motion sickness
So
tablets.
do that before you go to a theme park and you feel fine. I see our
There you go,
pictures.
you get the proof that we did it now. Look at our faces.
Proof. Thank you so much. Wow.
We went for the barbecue top half, cheese bottom half.
Yeah.
It's just one whole potato, isn't it? Spiralised.
Good?
Very good.
Is it? This is a stroop waffle, fresh off the waffle iron.
So what is it, like 2 waffles with a layer of caramel?
Really thin waffles with chewy caramel in the middle. That is delicious. We're heading into a theatre to see a show called Raveleijn. I don't
Raveleijn?
know. Raveleijn? We don't know how to say it.
How do we say this word?
Raveleijn. That's where we're going.
Perfect, thanks.
It looks like an incredible theatre from the outside. I think this is going to be a show about knights and wizards, maybe.
So excited.
The thing is, everything is in Dutch, which actually we're completely embracing because we can sort of make up our own stories, so that's fine. You like that, didn't you? What a set! What a set!
So cool.
So good.
Dinner time.
Yeah.